Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another normal just process video, nothing out of the ordinary. And this is for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. It is the challenge for, it was a flash challenge number 1 where it stated, and the winner goes to. I decided to use the collection. Which one is this? Oh, this is the Hip Kit collection. It's the one where I combined a couple of them together to try to finish it out. And the reason why I am use this challenge to document in my selfie traveler's notebook is the picture of my degree. And it is my second degree in this household. My husband has now started. When I film this, this is his first day of school again, so he's going back for his second degree as well. So we're kind of degree filled in our household at this point. But it kind of made it real when that paper came in the mail. And I thought that it would be perfect to go with that award. And I will document a little bit on the bottom off camera. It's not going to be in the pictures or anything because I'm not quite sure what I want to write yet, because it's kind of like I thought I was done with college and I was like, yes, I'm good. I'm never going to have to worry about this. And then lo and behold, I get into my new career, which is teaching. And now, after looking through multiple programs to find my education certification that I need to be able to keep teaching outside of the 3 years for the state of Georgia, I found a program that the state will agree to, and this, that, and the other. And I looked at it and I was like, for a year, I could go for a year because of all of my other degrees will rotate and roll over to this amazing program that the military offers and everything like that. I get my master's of education. So I'll have ultimately 3 degrees in my household for myself. My husband will have 2. And so we're just kind of the geeks in the household. We love we love to hate education. It's not something that, we were born to say, yes, this is what we're going to do. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it worked out this way. So here I am. I'm just back in my file. There is no other challenge to it other than documenting, and the winner goes to. And a lot of people are doing, a lot of the ladies that I've watched for this particular challenge, they've been doing messy hair day. If you've gone into your son or daughter's bedroom and it looks, very messy, things like that. A lot of people are doing that. And I was like, here I come in patriotic type of style and be like, ooh, and the winner goes to my degree. Woohoo. But it needed to be documented anyway, so it worked out perfect. These are one of the last last videos that I am filming for when I was at Amy's house. I was able to film 2 more on Sunday before I left. And this was the very last one I did. I just finished this one up right before I was getting ready to leave. And I was like, you know what? This looks wonderful. I love this layout. It's perfect. I love the way it looks. That was crooked, and I had to ask Amy because I thought maybe my eyes were just being funny. But nope, it was crooked. And so you can tell that I was we were watching Doctor Who and the Falling Angels. So every once in a while you'll see me just sitting there like do, and I'm watching the point, and then I go further. And this kit had the bows. I made up 3 of them and then I didn't even use them. Those bows, I tell you, when we have to make bows, they're a pain in the butt. I'm just letting you know. So now I'm getting ready to embellish. And pretty much the embellishment goes pretty fast. I do put a tag in between I always make a tag pocket for my tags to fit into. And I will document on the tag that I put in there as well. And I'm going to document a little bit more about the degree and how long it took me and that kind of stuff in there too. So I am placing all of these fruits and these fruits that came in the new Dear Lizzie kit or collection, I should say. And I absolutely love it. It works out wonderful. So there's some lemon, and I put down dream, happy dreams, enjoy this, marvelous, remember this. It was so beautiful, beautiful, best ever. My main title for this whole particular layout is Keep On Being You. And then it says joyful and lovely. And that's all the little sayings that you'll see on there. And it is in my traveler's notebook, my selfie one. I thought that that would be perfectly to put in there just because, yes, I know it's not a selfie, but it's something that was done for me. I went back to college for myself. Out of my family, my husband and I are the only two that have gone to college, and that's including on both sides. And so every time that we end up getting a degree, it's, it's a little bit satisfaction for the two of us because we're like, you know what, we're doing this. We're doing this. My husband's 40 and went back for his bachelor's. I finished my degree up, my second degree anyway, at 36. So it's something that my mom went to college or did a program back when they first started doing online stuff. So she has some education outside of high school. But other than that, I'm the only one. I'm the only one that went to college and finished and all of that. My half brother started it but didn't finish. He had like one semester left and didn't finish. I'm like, that goober. But, so yeah, that's kind of why I put this in there, and I am going to document that on that tag too that I placed up there for that respect. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad to have you here. If you are returning, thank you. I'm so glad that you have come back to watch my videos. And I hope that you are enjoying all of these videos for the month of July. I am voiceovering this on July 1st. However, I know that this is going up at the end of July because I had to stagger out all of these just random videos through my design team videos. So it worked out perfect though that I have just all this extra content that if I get to a week that I'm like, I don't want to do anything, and I don't have to because I have videos going up on my channel. Let's see here. What else am I doing? So now I'm placing the lemon. So I kind of have lemons all over. That's kind of the theme that I put up. Kind of everywhere. And then I place this umbrella with the balloons. I just think it adds just a little bit of something to it. I don't know why I added an umbrella. There wasn't nothing really with it, but it works. Kind of like that Mary Poppins theme or something. Let's see here. I hope you're enjoying your summer. Let's see here. When am I putting this up? Oh, I'm a week out from school starting. Yippee, yippee. Us teachers have to be back just a little bit earlier than the regular kids. So I'm a week out from school starting full time again. I was like, man, summer just started and now I'm starting all over again, going back to school. It's crazy. But that is the journaling. I'm going to just do a little bit of journaling down there, and then my tag's going to have the way more journaling that I'm going to want on there. And let's see here. I do add some splatters. I get out some of the hearts that are a part of this. I put a popsicle behind one just to make it with some added color because I needed it. I needed some more blues in here. And I did do the two-tone. I've been liking doing the two-tone lately. I've noticed in my traveler's notebook as I'm flipping through some of the pages, I'm like, I'm really doing a lot of two-tone colors in my traveler's notebook, and I love it. I love how that turns out. I think it's perfect. So there is the title, Dream Happy Dreams, and that I absolutely love that. And then, you guys know that the still shots are coming up as well at the end. I'm just making sure it's all sticking down. I do find some hearts and stuff on there, and this is where I find the little sayings like joyful and lovely and all that, and that's pretty much it. I do get out my shimmers, and I do my shimmers at the end as well, and I'm just placing other little bits here and there. I'm watching the video again. I'm watching TV again. Sorry about that. I'm just like, I'm not gonna cut it out. I'm like, y'all have seen me do this before, whether I'm typing or something in my videos. And then I'm just showing Amy what it looks like. And let's see here, what else am I gonna do? Now it's time for the shimmers, so I will talk to you soon. Bye!